Hello, my name's Malika and I'm from the National Space Centre, and today I'm going to show you how to make moon rocks. Now, we're really lucky at the National Space Centre because we have a lunar sample on display in our rocket tower thanks to our friends at NASA. Now, that lunar sample was returned in December 1972 thanks to two astronauts on the Apollo 17 space mission, which was the last Apollo mission to leave the moon. Now, those two astronauts were Harrison Schmitt and Gene Cernan, and they collected our lunar sample from a boulder that was fractured on the edge of the Shorty crater. And you can see that right now in our rocket tower. Now, moon rock is actually really rare. There's only around 430 kilograms here on the Earth's surface, which equates to about 0.02% of the amount of gold mined on Earth last year alone. Of the 6 Apollo moon missions that brought lunar samples back, they brought around 2,415 samples, which equates to about 382 kilograms. The Soviets' lunar 16, 20 and 24 missions brought back around 386 grams, so a relatively small amount. The other 48 kilograms is made up from lunar meteorites that have landed here on Earth. Now, if you want to know more about lunar samples, and particularly the Apollo space mission lunar samples, then please do go to our website and read the fantastic blog that has been created by our curator, Dan. Right, so to make your moon rock, you're going to need 700 grams of bicarbonate of soda, 70 millilitres of water, some glitter. I have a selection of here, including gold and pearlescent and all colours here, some food colouring, and then a bowl to mix it in and a spatula, and that's all you're going to need. Now, I want my moon rocks to be really sparkly, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add lots of glitter. So I'm adding gold, and like I say, there's lots going in there. And then I really like this one, pearlescent, and I think that that's going to be beautiful in our moon rocks because I'm going to be adding black food colouring to this. So all you're going to do is mix in your glitter. We can always add more, so you can never take away, but you can always add more. And then I'm going to add our water. So that just goes straight in there. And then I'm going to give that a mix around. And then finally, I'm going to be adding some colour. Okay, so I've added the glitter and the water and it started to come together. And now we're going to add the colour. So I'm going for black and just add lots of colour in there. And then all we're going to do is mix this through. Now, this is going to take some time. So instead of you watching me making a lot of mess in my kitchen, come back in just a moment's time and I'll show you it finished. So this is the consistency you're looking for. I have a nice grey colour and it's really sparkly. And now for the fun part, we're going to get our hands in there and we're going to make some moon rocks. So you're just going to press it very firmly. You can make any shapes you want, so you can push your fingers in to make some craters, but do realise that it's actually very fragile and it can break apart, so you just need to be quite firm with it. All you're going to do then is leave it overnight to dry, and then your moon rocks will be ready in the morning. That's it. So if you do have a go at making moon rocks, please do share your photographs. We'd love to see what you make. Now, if you want to use these for some science experiments, go back and watch how Charlie created impact craters, and you can use your moon rocks to do that as well. Now, please remember, don't eat these. They're not very tasty. Other than that, stay safe and huge thanks for your support. I can't wait to welcome you to the National Space Centre again very soon.